What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over from MATIC as well as Ethereum. We're sitting at 55 cents. We're down 0.45 on the day. See, market 5.19 B, 25 on 5, 251 million. So we're sitting at the 50% retracement, which is normal wave 4. So if this were to hold, then we could see a breakout into a wave 5. It would have to be leading diagonal because the wave 4 broke into the wave 1. However, if we just roll over, we start to break deeper. There's also the possibility your wave 3 ended right there. That was your wave 4 pullback. The only thing with this wave 5, you would have to look at any diagonal. It's kind of a mess. And that's your wave 5, and you would see a larger pullback in a wave 2. So if you do see a deeper retracement, that is possible. Of course, with leading diagonal, wave 4s can break into the wave 1, only invalidated with the break of the wave 2, so that's also possible. If we do push up, start to break that high, that's more confirmation, but currently we are sitting on strong support for MATIC, and I do think there's decent chance for upside continuation. If you look back here, let me just drop in a box. There is a lot of support in this area. And we have the daily bullish divergences. There's a little double bottom. Looks like we could be creating inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, potentially creating that right shoulder. And as you can see, we do have those nice bullish divergences. Money's flowing back in. So we do have a lot of signals of potential reversal, especially if we get back above the 55 EMA. 20 comes underneath the 55. We have the bullish cross. That's a huge bullish signal. There's the bullish cross right there. Massive explosion to the upside. Well, it did here. See the bullish cross right here, and then boom, exploded to the upside. There's the bullish cross, boom, exploded to the upside. So that's a pretty strong buy signal. We were in a trade for MATIC. It hit the break-even stop loss. So if we end up seeing that bullish cross, I'll most likely give another entry signal in the Discord for 10 bucks a month. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So I'm looking at leading diagonal right now. Wave 1 out, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, potentially wave 4. Leading diagonals go in ABCs. So you could go down in an A, push up in a B, come down in a wave C, and it could still be the wave 4. So that is a possibility. We are currently in ETH trade as well as Bitcoin, or we see a straight push to the upside in the wave 5. Of course, anything can happen. There are no certainties. If anyone tells you that they're 100% certain that a certain crypto is going to go a certain way, 100% certainty, you should stop listening to them because there are no certainties. There's only probabilities. If we get rejected, we roll over, we start to break these lows, then it is what it is and we come deeper. But as of right now, I am looking for at least one more wave up. We'll have to see how that plays out. We're sitting on that support. As you can see, support here, support here. This is the bear market low. Right now, we're retesting that support. So what I would like to see is get back above the 20 EMA, the yellow line, the blue line, the 55. See that bullish cross, and then you could come back up and retest about 1983. If we start to break that support, obviously that would be bearish, and you could start to come down to 1420, could come down to 1500. If that ascending support line breaks, then obviously we can focus on a more bearish scenario. So we'll see if we get that bounce. We did have a bullish divergence on the hourly, but it got invalidated. Looks like we might, let me see here. And maybe a little bit of an equal low, a little bit of a higher low. We'll see. I mean, we're just consolidating, gaining a little bit of strength on the RSI. So if we do bounce, we could also retest this ascending broadening wedge. So watch that resistance because that could lead to a potential wave B. Once we start to bounce, I will move my stop loss to break even just to be safe, just in case we do end up rolling over. And yeah, all signals were given in the Discord. We're currently in trades for, we just hit first 2 take profits on Ethereum, and then we re-entered. We hit 2 take profits on Bitcoin. We're in trades for Solana as well. We're still in the Bitcoin trades. 10 bucks a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. All my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange to trade futures and spot. No KYC, no VPN. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200 for free to trade with. And yeah, my signals are 10 bucks a month. Sign up to the Patreon daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in 3 trades right now. Crypto News Member Profits Huddle, all plays Forex signals, Forex analysis. I'm also trading Forex, giving signals for Forex. So not only can you trade crypto, but also Forex all in one place, all for the price of a, what are we going to use today? Whopper with a drink and fries, and you don't want to be eating that. So come over to the Discord, sign up through the Patreon, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.